Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download MySQL on Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, open web browser and search for MySQL. Open the official MySQL website and navigate to MySQL community download page. Here, select MySQL installer for Windows. We will see two download options. Choose the full installer if you want all components included, or select the web installer if you prefer a small downloader size. On the next page, you may be asked to sign in or create a Oracle account. If you do not want to create account, simply click on No Thanks just for download. The download will now begin. Depending on your internet speed, it takes a few minutes to complete. Once the download is finished, you will find the MySQL installer file in your download folder. In the, in the next video, we will learn how to install MySQL, configure it properly on our computer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on DBMS, SQL and MySQL. Thank you for watching and we will see in this next video.